Good morning, students. Class 9 English Reader, Book Moments, Chapter 5 The Happy Prince. The Happy Prince was a beautiful statue. He was covered with gold. He had sapphire for eyes and a ruby in his sword. Why did he want to part with all the gold that he had and his precious stones? High above the city, on a tall column, stood the statue of the Happy Prince. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes he had two bright sapphires, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. Now it's a story of a king who was very happy when he was alive. Today he is dead. और उसका जो स्टैचू है वो एक अपराइट पिलर यानी बहुत हाइटेड पिलर है, उसके ऊपर सेट किया गया है. जो स्टैचू है वो कम्प्लीटली कवर्ड अप है विथ थिन लीव्स ऑफ फाइन गोल्ड, यानी एक आउटर बॉर्डर है उस पर बना हुआ. और जो उसकी आइज़ है उसमें ब्लू कलर के सफ़ायर्स लगे हुए हैं. सफ़ायर वी कैन से इट्स अ वैरायटी ऑफ जेम स्टोन एंड इट इज़ हैविंग अ रेड रूबी विच इज़ ग्लोइंग. रूबी इज़ अगेन अ जेम स्टोन ऑफ रेड कलर विच इज़ शाइनिंग on his sword hilt, the handle of the sword. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. Now a bird is there that is flying over the city. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before. Now in our books we have read about the migration of the birds. It happens in many countries with the change of the climate, the birds migrate from one place to another. Now here the friends of Swallow have moved to Egypt, but he had stayed behind and he decided to go to Egypt too. All day long he flew, and at night time he arrived at the city. Where shall I put up? That means he want to take rest. He is thinking. He said, I hope the town has made preparation. That means everybody is sleeping. It's night time, so everybody is sleeping. Now even I should take rest. Then he saw the statue on the tall column. I will put up there, he cried. He decided to take rest there on that statue. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air. So he alighted. That means he came down just between the feet of the happy prince. I have a golden bedroom. As we have read that the statue was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. So the bird is saying to himself that, wow, I have a golden bedroom. He said softly to himself as he looked around, and he prepared to go to sleep. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. What a curious thing! He was eager to know what has happened. He cried, there is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining. How come? How is it possible? Then another drop fell. What is the use of a statue if it cannot keep the rain off? That means if the statue is not able to protect him from the rain, what's the use of it? He said, I must look for a good chimney pot. And he determined to fly away. He made up his mind to fly from there. But before he had opened his wings, a third drop fell and he looked up and saw. What did he see? The eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears. Now it's really strange to see tears in the eyes of a statue, which is not possible, and tears were running down his golden cheeks. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity. यानी उस स्टैचू का जो ब्यूटीफुल फेस है जो शाइन कर रहा था मूनलाइट में, द स्वैलो द बर्ड गॉट पिटी, उसे दया आ गई. उसने पूछा, हु आर यू? ही सेड, आई एम द हैप्पी प्रिंस. Why are you weeping then? Asked the swallow. You have quite drenched me. यानी तुमने मुझे पूरा गीला कर दिया है. When I was alive and had a human heart. Now the statue is saying, answered the statue, I did not know what tears were, for I lived in the palace where sorrow is not allowed to enter. Now ये जो स्टैचू है हैप्पी प्रिंस का, वो कहते हैं कि मुझे पता ही नहीं है टीयर्स होते क्या हैं, क्योंकि जब मैं पैलेस में रहता था व्हेन आई वाज अलाइव, मैंने कभी सॉरो जो होता है उस वर्ड को समझा ही नहीं था कि दुख और तकलीफ़ क्या होती है, क्योंकि मेरे पैलेस में कभी ये इस तरह की चीज़ें आई नहीं. माई कोर्टियर्स यानी जो मेरे कंट्री मैन हैं, जो मेरे वी कैन से द मिनिस्टर्स स्टेइंग इन माई कोर्ट, इन माई किंगडम, They called me happy prince because मैं हमेशा से happy रहा. I lived happily and I died happily. And now that I am dead, because अब मैं मर गया हूँ तो उन सब ने मेरा जो स्टैचू है सेटअप किया है इतनी हाइट पे कि यहाँ से मैं देख सकता हूँ. What he can see? The ugliness and all the misery of my city. यानी मेरी सिटी में लोग जो हैं वो कितने दुखी हैं. They are in problems. They have the sufferings. So I can see everything here. And though my heart is made of lead. यानी जो पूरा स्टैचू है वो लेड का बना हुआ है. But still I have like no option just to weep. मेरे आंसू अपने आप ही आ रहे हैं. What? Is he not solid gold? Now, as when the bird saw the statue first time, he thought that it is completely made of gold. So he had a question in his mind that, is it not solid gold? Said the swallow to himself. He was too polite to make any personal remarks. वो swallow इतना polite था कि उसने ऐसा कोई personal remark नहीं किया उस statue पे. Today we'll end up here. You go through the content, whatever we have read today. Try to understand it. And if you have any queries, let me know in the feedback in our WhatsApp. Till then, thank you, class.